Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Cecelia O, and my YouTube channel is Cecelia O's World. I talk about different life hack, such as how to make healthy meal, healthy drink, how to do home decor on budget, how to look young, different DIY beauty hacks. And for today's video, I'll actually be talking about how we can make a healthy meal, like do healthy wrap, which you can take in the morning. You can eat this to keep fit, and also you're the product of whatever you put in. So to make this healthy wrap is just a quick one. I'll be using the following ingredients. I have this wrap, this wheat spinach wrap, which I got from Sam's Club. I also have this blueberries and 2 avocados, which I'll be mixing with the almond butter. So the almond butter is another form of good butter alternative for peanuts, which is healthy, good for the hearts. So I'll be doing this today. Mix the almond with the avocado and the blueberry, and use that in my wrap. Let's dive in. I love you all. Don't forget to like my video, subscribe, share with your family and loved ones, so that together we can stay healthy, look beautiful, and look radiant. Thank you. I love you all. Let's dive in. So I'm still making a very healthy wrap, and to make this wrap I'll be using avocados. I have avocados here, I have blueberries here, and I'll be mixing that with this almond butter, and I'll be using this wrap, the spinach wrap. And this is good, healthy, and this is another form of keto diet which we can do at home. It's very good to eat good so that we can live healthy and keep us away from going to the doctor's office. Alright, so what I'm going to do is to mash this with the blueberries. So I have the blueberries here. I'm adding the avocado. And I'll just add some peanut butter. Not peanuts, almond butter, just a little into this. Just a little. And I'll be mixing this together. Remember, I'm using 3 ingredients to make the wrap. I have blueberries, almond, peanut butter. And this is another form of keto diet that you can do and make for your loved ones. So to make sure that the wrap seal up very well, I'll be using this little spread just lightly on the wrap before I put in the pre-made avocado berry spread which I made. I'm just adding this just to make the spread wrap very well. So here's the wrap, the filling that I made: avocado, almond butter, and blueberries. I'll be using this in my wrap, and this is another alternative for keto diet, which is healthy. Let's try this at home and share this, share with your loved ones. Just wrap this. So here's the avocado wrap that I made. Inside I have avocado, blueberries, and almond butter, and I use spinach wrap. So this is ready, and these can be shared and as a form of breakfast. Okay, here's the inside. Like this video, share with your loved ones. I'll see you in my next video. Thank you. Bye for now.